Serego Alighieri, Casal dei Ronchi Recioto Classico.
Recioto, Casal dei Ronchi. Few wines can enjoy a long history like this wine. The wine himself, made with the dry grapes, go back to the Roman time. And in the case of Serego Alighieri, it go back to the 13th century. Casal dei Ronchi, single vineyard that make this wine unique and special. No other Recioto enjoy this flavor and this fruitiness. What do you think, Andrea?
Just an old vineyard can give us this very strong cherry aroma, so long, spicy. The fruit little bit cook, little bit overripe. Just like now, the grape is just a little bit with Appassimento, and I really can find the same aroma in the glass.
The same smell, yes. It gives us a piece of history, but in the same time, it gives us the best as a after dinner, and of course with any kind of dry type biscuits and dry type of cake.